I created a link in bio specifically for YouTubers. So in this video, I want to talk about a project that I've been working on called Vid in Bio. And the benefit for YouTubers is that it allows you to add one link to your social media profiles, such as maybe Instagram or Facebook, something like that. And if anybody clicks that link, they can see a fully customizable page that gives them your other social media, as well as custom buttons that you can design. And it also shows all your recent YouTube videos. So this will mix in shorts and long form videos. They can also sort by short and long, and you can customize what it shows here. And this will load all the videos that you have posted on YouTube. And you can also feature specific videos. So maybe if you have brand sponsored videos, things like that, and you want to be able to feature those, you can do that as well. So I made this and it is completely free. I just wanted to create something that I could use, and I figured I'd share it with other YouTubers so that they can get the benefit of this really cool tool. So it's really easy to create. All you need to do is go to Vid in Bio or vidinb.io. So we have a shorter link as well. Select create free. And then all you need to do is put your YouTube handle in here and select build page. So as an example, I'm just going to enter the name of one of my other YouTube channels and select build my page. So as you can see, it's going to automatically pull in your profile picture from YouTube, things like that, and give you your URL. Now you will have the ability to pull in your channel description and also add all of your social media just based off what your channel handle is on YouTube. And if you want to be able to customize that, you need to go through a process called Claim Your Page, where you just add a small snippet of text to your description briefly. The website will check for that text, and once it confirms that you actually added that text, you can remove it, and then you'll be able to fully customize all the links and add featured videos, things like that. So if I go ahead and select create my page, it'll take me to my page here, where now, as you can see, all my videos are here. And if I want to customize it further, all I would have to do is go through the claim process and verify that I actually own this channel, so then I can put other links on it and everything. So really the claim process is a safety feature for YouTubers so that people can't impersonate you and link to things maybe without your knowledge, things like that. So I'm going to quickly go through the claim process here by just going to the bottom of my page and selecting claim it. And then all I'm going to do is copy this code, then open up the YouTube app, select you, then go to view channel, edit channel, and then add description. And I'm just going to paste that in there and select save. So now all I need to do is go back to Vid in Bio, scroll down, set a password for my user account, and then select verify and claim. So it's going to go check YouTube. Once it verifies the claim, which takes seconds, I can then go back to YouTube, remove that from my description, and then I gained access to all the features on Vid in Bio just by going through the claim. So I can now customize the colors, the background, and different things like that, including changing the description in bio and adding all the links, as well as editing those links. So if I have a different Instagram bio handle than what my YouTube channel is, I can do that as well. You can also add custom videos and custom links at the bottom for maybe sponsorships, affiliate links, things like that. Then just make sure you save it. And when you view it, it'll be updated with all that information that you changed. So that was Vid in Bio. Hopefully you enjoy it. If you do find any issues with it, or you want features that I don't have on there, just let me know and I'll do my best to add them. Thanks for watching.